Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. When Olíwò despised the children. Story: Olíwò was a governor, and one day very early in the morning, he went out to the courtyard of his house and was astonished to see that one of his plants was producing money. He began to collect the money. The next day, the same thing happened, and he collected the money again. Not satisfied with what he had, he ordered his servants to fence his entire house with yaguas, so that no one could see inside his property. Since people like to know everything, they went to the house of Òrúnmìlà to find out what was in Olíwò's courtyard. Òrúnmìlà performed osode for them and saw the Odu Òkànràn Méjì, and he told them, "That man you're interested in has a lot of money in his house." The people then asked Òrúnmìlà, "How can we ruin him?" He replied, "Make a bow, and for Esu, give him food and say, Olíwò Òṣùlálá wishes to have a lot of money because he prefers money over the children, since they are very troublesome." Esu, with his power, did his work during the night, making all the plants bear children's heads. In the morning, when Olíwò Òṣùlálá went with his servants to collect the money, upon seeing that, he ordered all the plants in his courtyard to be cut down. Since Esu was the one who had brought him fortune, it wasn't long before Olíwò Òṣùlálá became very poor. Note: things must be done in secret so that your enemy does not notice anything. Esu must be kept content, so that he does not turn his back on you and overturn all your affairs. Children must not be thrown out of the house,